What's the meaning of block letters? Block letters. Block letters.
Block letters. Block letters. Block letters refer to a style of writing where each letter is formed using straight lines and sharp angles, giving them a block-like appearance. This is in contrast to cursive or script lettering, which typically involve rounded and flowing lines. Block letters are often used for headings and titles, especially in printed materials such as posters or signs, as they are easy to read from a distance and provide a bold and clear look. The style is also popular in graphic design and typography, as it allows for creative manipulation of the shapes and forms of each letter.